This is my week 4 weekly summary. Doesn't seem like we have too much this week because we don't have a neat resource or an instructable. So I'm going to start off with the discussion. It was interesting. I had never tried to really compartmentalize human existence or human thought processes into different categories. So for me, it was a pretty logical approach to it in terms of what David said. I'm pretty interested into what kind of dialogues that this brings about. For our report, it was me and Sean Sullivan. We took a video of me throwing my hat into, or just across the room, I guess. Here's that video. So once we did that, we put it in Logger Pro. We were able to put all the dots on it using the plot function. Came up with a X and a Y graph, fit a quadratic line to the Y, fit a linear line to the X. As for the correlation for the acceleration graph, it was 0.9995, which is pretty good. And then the root mean square is 0.03, which is also pretty good. Both of those just pointed at the fact that these dots were pretty darn close to the actual line of travel for the hat. Other than that, we did a little write-up. A couple paragraphs long. And then we submitted it for actually that's it. I'm going to go ahead and cut this one here. It's pretty short, but there's not much to talk about this week. On a footnote, I hope you're feeling better, David. I'm not sure what's going on, but wish you the best. Alrighty.